Hey everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to make perfect hard-boiled eggs. So you're going to start by taking your eggs out of the refrigerator before you start cooking them. That way they can get up to room temperature. Then you can also start boiling your water. Then also you're going to need to set up an ice bath. This will help stop cooking your eggs. And this is my setup. I'm going to do an egg cooking at 4 minutes, 6 minutes, 8 minutes, 10 minutes, and 12 minutes. Okay, so the water is coming up to a boil, so what we're going to do is drop the temperature down slightly. That way when our eggs go in the water, they won't bounce up and down a lot, so they won't crack. Alright, so we're going to start adding all of our eggs in. I'm going to use this spider thing. Alright, so it's time to take out the first egg, and this is cooking at 4 minutes. And we're just going to put it into our ice bath so it'll stop cooking. Next we're going to take out the 6-minute egg. Now we're going to take out the 8-minute egg. Now we're going to take out the 10-minute egg. And lastly, we're going to take out the 12-minute egg. So we'll let these set for another couple of minutes in the ice bath, and then we'll start peeling them. So next we're going to crack our eggs open, and we're going to do it very carefully. One trick to get your eggs open is by cracking the top and the bottom, because there's usually an air pocket, and that'll help you get under the membrane and get the shell off. The one that you cook at 4 minutes might be a little harder to open because it's going to be very soft. So, yeah. Well, anyway, the rest of the egg should go a little bit more smoother, hopefully. Yeah, so that's the consistency you're going to get with a 4-minute egg. Very, very soft. So I'm not going to peel that one much more. Just going to set it down and work on the other eggs. Alright, so I cracked open the 4-minute egg in front of you, and it's still really goopy. It probably should have maybe gone to 5 or 6 minutes, but I unpeeled the rest of the eggs, and as I got closer to the 12-minute egg, they became a lot easier to crack open and peel the shells off. But let's see what everything looks like on the inside. So this is the 6-minute egg. Oh, yep, this is really jammy. So this type of egg I like in ramen just because it mixes really well, but other than that, I wouldn't really cook my egg like that. This is the 8-minute egg. Still a little jammy, but starting to come together. This is the 10-minute egg. All right, still a tiny bit jammy, but it's starting to cook on the outer edge of the yolk. And here is the 12-minute egg. Yep. Mostly cooked. This would be good to have if you were making deviled eggs, because you would use the cooked yellow part. But these are hard-boiled eggs and how you cook them.